morning children. Welcome back to our online classroom. Today we are going to discuss about place value of two-digit numbers, representing numbers on abacus and the concept of 100. Let us start. First we will discuss about place value. Do you know what is place value? In math, every digit in a number has a place value. The place value can be defined as the value represented by a digit in a number on the basis of its position in the number. Here we are going to learn about the place value of two-digit number. Do you know what is a two-digit number? A number which contains two digits. Tell me children, how many digits are there in a two-digit number? I told you a two-digit number contains two numbers. Let's see one example. Here I have written one number on this board. It's 45. Can you tell me, is this a two-digit number? Yes, it's a two-digit number because it contains two digits, 4 and 5. That I have written here. It has two digits, 4 and 5. In a two-digit number, we can see two places. 1, 2. How many places? 2 places. In this example, we can see two digits, 4 and 5. Every two-digit number has two places, ones and tens. Here, then in the number 45, the number 5 comes under ones and 4 under tens place. Is it clear? Let's see some example. Here I have written some numbers. You have to find out which number comes under tens and ones. In 71, 7 tens and 1 ones. Next example, 26, 2 comes under tens place, 6 under ones place. In 30, 3 under tens place, 0 comes under ones place. 94, 9 comes under tens place, 4 in ones place. Is it clear? Next, we are going to learn about how to represent numbers on abacus and how to find out the place value of digits in a number using abacus. Children, let's see one abacus. Students, this is an abacus. It has two spikes, the spike of ones and spike of tens. Next, I will explain how to represent a number using this abacus. Students, I have drawn two abacus here. Let's see how to represent a number on this abacus. Here I have written the number 23. We know that in 23, 2 tens and 3 ones. In an abacus, we can represent a number by drawing beads or small circles. In 23, I told you it contains 2 tens and 3 ones. So in ones spike, you can draw 3 small circles like this. In tens spike, you can draw 2 small circles because this number contains 2 tens and 3 ones. In the next example, the number is given 34. It contains 3 tens and 4 ones. So in one spike, we can draw 4 small circles, and tens spike, we can draw 3 small circles. In this way, you can represent any number on the abacus. Next, we are going to learn about how to find out a number from the given abacus. Let's see. In this abacus, on the spike of 10, I have drawn 3 small circles. That means 3 tens. the spike of ones, you can see 5 small circles. It means 5 ones. Then we have to find out the values of 3 tens and 5 ones. You know, the value of 1 ten is equal to 10. So, the value of 2 tens is equal to 20. Value of 3 tens is equal to 30 and so on. So, here we can say the value of 3 tens equal to 30. Then, you know the value of 1 is equal to 1. 2 ones equal to 2. 3 ones equal to 3. So, we can say the value of 5 ones equal to 5. Then, we have to add these two numbers. 30 plus 5, we got 35. In this way, we can find out the number from the given abacus. Next, we are going to discuss about how to find out the place value of a digit in a number using abacus. Here, I have shown the number 23 on this abacus. We can understand that this number contains 2 tens and 3 ones. We have to find out the place value of 2. From this abacus, we can understand that 2 comes under tens place. So, we can say the place value of 2 is 2 tens. We know the value of 2 tens, that's equal to 20. So, the place value of 2 is equal to 20. Next, the place value of 3. Here, the 3 comes under 1's place. So, we can say that the place value of 3 is equal to 3 ones. Then, the value of 3 ones is equal to 3. So, we can say that the place value of 2 is equal to 20 and the place value of 3 is equal to 3. Children, let's solve one example. Write the place value of the underlined digit. The first number 27. Here we have to find out the place value of 7. We know that the 7 comes under 1's place. So, the place value of 7 is 7 ones, that's equal to 7. In the next number 13, we have to find out the place value of 1. We know the 1 comes under tens place. So, what is the place value of 1? That is 1 tenth is equal to 10. In the next number 85, we have to find out the place value of 5. So, 5 comes under 1's place. Then we can say that the place value of 5 is equal to 5 ones, that's equal to 5. The last one, number 36, we have to find out the place value of 3. 3 comes under tens place. So, we can easily say that the place value of 3 is equal to 3 tens, that's equal to 30. In this way, we can find out the place value of digits in a number. Is it clear to you? Yes. Next, we are going to learn about the concept of 100. Here, I have drawn small squares. In each square represent ones. Do you know the value of ones? It's 1. In each column, I have drawn 10 squares. It means tens. 1 10 is equal to 10. So, we have total 9 columns. That means this is 9 tens. We know the value of 9 tens equal to 90. Then I add 9 small squares with this group of squares. 9 small squares represent 9 ones. So total we have 9 tens plus 9 ones equal to 99. How many squares we have now? 99. Then I add 1 small squares with this 9 squares, we got a group of 10 squares, that is 110. We know the value of 110, that's equal to 10. If we join together the 9 tens and 110, we got 10 tens. Do you know the value of 10 tens? It's 100. The value of 10 tens equal to 100. That means if we add a number 1 with 99, we got the number 100. See children, in 100 you can see 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. So we can say that 100 is a 3-digit number, and also we can say that 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. Can you tell me what is the smallest 2-digit number? It's 10. So 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. Students, I think you understood the topics what I taught today. I attached the notes of lesson and a worksheet under this video. You have to open it and do the problems in it. Let me conclude today's session. Thank you.